Here's how I'm supercharging my daily content workflow by connecting Omnflow directly to Claude using MCP. I open Claude and go into Settings. Then I navigate to Connectors and click Customize. I add a new custom connector, name it Omnflow, and paste my Omnflow MCP server URL. After submitting, I authorize the connection on Omnflow, and just like that, it's connected. Now Claude can directly use Omnflow's tools, repurposing content, saving to my library, adding posts to my calendar, and more, all from within a single conversation. This integration makes my workflow incredibly smooth. One idea turns into multi-platform content and a full monthly plan with almost zero friction. This is the future of AI-powered content creation. Ready to simplify your workflow? Try Omnflow free at omnflow.com.